closing in on 2,000 gold. I don't know if I'm a little bit early, but we've been doing nice step and ladders since the opening. Up, consolidate, up, consolidate. Led that 50 period moving average on the 1 minute chart. Always making you get scared. No, explode up, consolidate. No. So you see, even on the smaller time frames, trends, you don't go up in a straight line, even on the minute chart. Go up, consolidate. As long as you're doing higher lows, you're in an uptrend. And right now we're starting to slow down. So it's squeezing up. And then you can even start seeing a rising wedge, which could actually break down. And if this support doesn't hold, all these buyers right here, volume defined support right here, then we might not get that 2,000 gold, guys. But the momentum's up, and every time we had a close test, we're really cutting it close. I'm expecting bounces, and a breakout. Just trying to capture that magical moment for gold right now. Oh, it's breaking down. Oh, is it going to get bought up? And that is the adrenaline of looking on the time chart, the minute chart. And here we are. Is this going to get bought up? So you guys, the scalpers out there, you're probably used to this. You probably look at patterns. I don't know if maybe you look at an uptrend on the higher time frames and say, okay, the uptrend's going up. So I know that most of these, I'm not going to short on these smart time frames, but whenever I get continuation patterns, I'll have a higher chance of them resolving upwards. And that's what you kind of see, right? You know, the 12-month moving average is up. You know, we're above an inclining 30-week moving average. We're above even a 200-day, 50-day. So you know you're going up. So when you go on these smart time frames, you have higher chances of these patterns resolving upwards. Nice base, explode, and all the way here, guys, all the way close to this magical 2K. And I'm going to try to follow this as long as I can and try to grab that magical moment on YouTube. I know a lot of print grabs are going to be out there. Whatever happens after doesn't matter, but spot gold is the one we're looking at. I know the gold futures, the next future in front there, GC2 already broke out above 2,000 a few days ago because of that contango, that premium over spot. GC1, the closest contract, the next contract in front, the futures has broken out above 2,000 because that premium over spot already broke out above. So now it's spot that we are looking at. And let's see if I could. Formation has been morphing. Let's see if it's going to hold. Really cutting it close, guys. We really want to see that volume hold us up, bring us back up. We don't want that falling wedge, that rising wedge to break down. If it does, well, I'll be for another day. But right now, the momentum is really up. The GSR today has plummeted. I think -3%, way below in the high 70s. Silver has been exploding today. And let's just see how gold can react, guys. And that is the best I could do play by play for those fans of minute charts. It's just beautiful to watch. Really tight right here. Really expecting a bounce. I do not want it to break that 50 period, that 50-minute moving average. Really want to hold it. And it's bouncing back up. Took a slight little pause. These minutes. Back here, I thought, right here, I called it. I said, in 15 minutes, we're going to go to 2,000. I was measuring these moves here, adding them on top. But as I said that, instead of having these explosions, these 15% explosions, or I don't know how much they were. Let's see. So instead of having these type of moves, 0.5%, we started slowing down 3%, 0.3%, and each of the moves we had were smaller and smaller. So sometimes you can't always, the trend doesn't always repeat. You see the acceleration actually diminishing. 4.8 started strong, and each time less and less and less power. Consolidation. Hopefully we have a bullish breakout right here, and it's I think it's going for it. It's going, and if we that top rail, I'm gonna draw it better. Sometimes I draw it fast just to get a feeling of what I'm looking at. And right there, if we break above 1997, 1996, could be a run for that magical 2K in one big candle. Some of these candles right here. Volume defined. Slide right here. Of course, I'm on a short time frame, so we don't see we know there's not much resistance, right? Because we're uncharted territory right here. So it's now just sellers. People say, okay, I want to get some profits. Oh, strong candle. People think that the price, I just want to grab in because it might be a lot of profit limits at that round number, that 2000. Oh, breaking out. It's going, guys. It's going right above that formation. And can we squeeze it up? So close. Yeah, that was a nice consolidation. You see, never violated that 50-period moving average. Broke out of that rising wedge. And that continuation pattern in an uptrend. And it's going for it, guys. 1998. Oh, we could do it. I don't know how much longer we're going to need, but it's getting critical moment, guys. Really want to see that continue right now. All the hard work's been done this morning. This consolidation pattern, this tightening wedge acting to really coil up the price action to get a nice launch. Just like we had a nice pattern right here this morning. This is what I want to see right here. Maybe a back test to that trend line, and then a final run to 2000, guys. I really want to capture that. Please bear with me while we watch history. I always wanted to be a sports broadcaster, calling games, hockey games, baseball games, and I guess this is my own version of calling a sports event. The ever exciting chart. And then I really understand now why scalpers, the adrenaline you get playing these minute charts, or some people even maybe 15-second charts. Really fast moves. But not for me, except for these historic moments. I'd rather check the charts less often, check a more variety of charts, get clear signals. And even if I don't look at the chart, the monthly chart every day, it hasn't changed really. Only at the end of the month, the close, that you reevaluate. A lot less work, so you have time to look at. I prefer like a lot of other charts that are connected to the precious metals market. So here's the pullback. Let me zoom in. So close. I'm going to stretch it out. How much of a percentage move do we need from here? Oh, we need 0.12%, guys. We could do it. It's possible. You could do it, gold. How many of you out there think that I jinxed this way too much and we're going to go crashing down? Do I have that power? A lot of people are superstitious. Sometimes I feel superstitious, but actually we have absolutely no control over these events. So you gotta listen to the chart and see. Let's see how this pattern resolves. They're really trying that consolidation pattern above the breakout. And on higher time frames, you see the same thing happening over and over, just at a bigger scale. Breakouts, test, pullbacks, backfill, continue up. Oh, I think this is it, guys. Super duper close. All right. About 10 minutes in since we've been watching this. A lot of people, I guess they're on their screen. Gold bugs for sure. Precious metals aficionados. All right, just need a couple of more candles. Nice big white candles like here. Even here for this thrust. Oh, you could do it gold. We're starting a fresh new candle. Will it be this one? Maybe in 2-3 minutes. Pull back. See, consolidation pattern, could even imagine a pullback down to here, the breakout level. So previous resistance now turns support. Smaller time frame, so it's really not a lot of the strength of that support is not as strong as it would be on a higher time frame. But I wonder if scalpers out there, if that's how they trade, they look really close, and when they see the pattern materialize, they have the click on the buy button real fast, sell stop. Look at that beautiful pattern. Wick, back test. No, going back up, getting bought up. So how many more candles, guys, before we get there? Look at that. We're here. 0.10%. That's all we need. Oh, this could be it. I even put an alert. It should ring. 0.6%. 0.06%. Ooh, so stressful. Don't drag it out, guys. Sellers, don't sell. Let us go to 2K, guys. We don't want a 20-minute video. 15-minute video tops. Everybody's going to be happy. 2K gold. And whatever happens after that, it's just going to be another inning in that ball game. Oh, unexpected. Pull back. Still above that 50-minute period average. Does it want to test? Wants to consolidate some more? Does it want to test that trend line again? It's not going to be easy, guys. So silent. All right. Let's reevaluate. Oh. I wonder if there's wager games out there. People sports betting, but on technical analysis. Well, I guess that's what we do, right, when we buy and sell. But somebody betting on the bet. Or is that what derivatives are? All right, Pat. You can do it. No, don't go down. Go back up. What? Who's selling here? Come on. All right, that's your final test. No more tests of that trend line. Don't drag it on. Everybody wants the 2000 spot gold. There you go. All right. No more whipsaws. Can we run to 2000 yet? Oh. Getting closer. It's dragging on. Guys, I thought I'd be doing a 2-minute podcast. We're at 14 minutes. It's never quite what you expect. Every time I have provisions, predictions, it's never quite, and I often underestimate the time the market needs to actually do what it needs to do. So it's kind of a lesson right here, even on the smaller time frame. Same thing for a higher time frame. Often I get greedy on the time, expecting faster profits, and you just gotta let it play out. Because if your targets are too close in time, if you don't reach it there, then it's like a mental trigger, right? You were expecting it there, and then you start becoming impatient, and then there's a whipsaw down, 3% down, so I'm getting out, and then that's when the price goes back up. But if your expectations are further in time, instead of saying, oh, I'm going to break out in the next minute or two, say, no, I'm going the next hour, maybe, or today. Then even if you surpass that 1 or 2 minute mark where you thought you'd break out, you're still, you even haven't thought of selling, even if there's a drawdown within that period. So maybe that's a lesson I should take into account. All right. Very, very close. Do. Just beautiful. Oh, it's going for it. It's going. Whoa, that's the highest we've ever been. That's a high water mark. Zoom it in. Oh, that's it. We've never been this high, so close. High water mark. We're 98 cents away. 95. What was that high water? It has to reach 2000. I don't think we're going to stop short of 2000. Can they do that? Wow. Sell stops at 1999. That's an old Stan Weinstein trick. If you know round number, it's psychological. A lot of people looking for that round number at 2000 or any stock you're trading. He said put your sell stops or profit limits like $5 under a round number. And so you get paid first. You get triggered out. You get your price, and you're not in the fight with all these people at 2000. Every time they get close, a lot of profit limits are going to be set that round number. People like easy numbers. Nobody, mom and pop, not going to say, oh, I'm going to sell at 1998. Everybody's going to say 2000. So if you want to get out, you put your sell stop at 1998, 1999, and you're going to get bought out. Just in case it doesn't go all the way up, then you would have triggered out right here in the zone. And right now, that is actually how resistance is defined, guys. So we have support here. We tested it. Now we're going to go test it again. And this getting sold into. And then we have to wait for the pendulum to reset. Maybe put my magical line at 2000. And we're going to need a few more minutes. It's time to give it another go. So close. This one was close. Imagine that. We get inches. This video, I have to stop it because if we go back down below that, I think that trend line, I'm going to stop the video for now. And I'll get back to it. I'll create a new one when we break out of that pattern. Okay, there we go. Back above. And that's resistance. The wicks are noise from smaller time frames, and we're on the 1 minute chart, so that's noise. And then breaking up. Can we close 1 minute above that breakout line? If we could close the current minute, how much time is left in that minute? Getting sold into. I think I have an option here to labels. Countdown to bar close. Yeah. Okay, 13 seconds, 12. See right here? That's how much time. Let's see if we could close above that breakout line. 4 seconds. No, they're keeping it down. Not ready yet. Coiling. New bar. All right, let's see where this one goes. Man, this video is 19 minutes, guys. But the suspense. So whoever's watching this, maybe some of you are going to go all through it. And maybe I say some smart stuff along the way there we could grab. Or else just zoom to the end. I'll put a disclaimer. If you want the final, just go in the final minute. Come on. 28 seconds. Can we hold above the breakout line, guys? Could this be the candle that brings us to 2000? Oh, 19 seconds left. 17. 15. All right. Really, really, really want to close. Oh, guys, it looks like it. This is the one, guys. This is it. 6, 5. It's like I feel like a New Year's Eve, 1999, December 31st. Oh, okay, we closed above. That's very, very bullish, just like on a higher time frame. And I think we're going to get it here. That's it. That was a consolidation. Lots of whipsaws here. And we should be getting it really, really close, imminent. And I jinxed it. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. Yeah, scalping's not for me. I did some in my beginning years when I started doing Forex, a few years in actually. I think 6 years in. I started trading, I think 2006. And then 2011, 12, I started doing Forex. And then that's when I had some crazy moments there doing trading on those 1-minute charts, trading news, economic news releases, FOMC meetings. But it's too much adrenaline for me. I think I have higher probabilities of establishing the higher trend and forgetting about all that noise. A lot of fun. But here we go. Not far off. 21 minutes. I could have paused it, but you know. And we did. Oh, what's that? So close. Almost missed it. And we. Oh, come on. Wow, look at that candle. How many pips away? And we. Oh, yes. I have an alert. Oh, come on. So close. It's going to pop up. And we. Wow. A pip under 1999.998. It cannot end there. That is impossible. Who is nervous out there? I guess it won't be as nervous because we're not doing it live. Oh, maybe I should have done this live. I wasn't ready for that. And we did it. Yay. Congrats, everybody. Happy New Year. Thanks for watching, guys. Ciao.